welcome to this KudiGO Storefront tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to add sales agents to your shop. Let's get started. Sales agents simply refer to people who work for you and must have access to your system. To do this, you go to the agents model of KudiGO Storefront and you add an agent by adding their email address, phone number, and creating a password for them. Kindly note that the password you create, they can change it when they log in. Once you create the agent, you are able to assign permissions to these agents. Kindly note that the permission levels assigned determines what the agent can do on the system. For example, you can have an agent who will be able to give discount, who can see customer information, or who can see your profit. You can disable all these as well for all your sales agents or even your shop manager, so that they can see your customer information, your profit margins, or cannot change any items that you've added to stock. Once you add an agent, whatever transaction they do on the system is logged against their name. So you will be able to tell which agent sold what product, at what point, and who they sold it to. There are two main permissions levels on the Storefront agent model: shop manager and sales agent. Shop managers can get access to upgraded permissions like adding items to stock and all those other things that come with it. Once you create an agent, they are now able to log in with the phone number that you used to create the account for them, as well as the PIN that you give them. Once they log in, the system will have them update their records, i.e. their names. Once that is done, they will be able to access your store and be able to perform sales in your absence. As you can see, lots of the permissions are limited. For example, they can't add product to stock, they can't change product pricing because they are simply an agent. They cannot view profit reports or be able to see what your profit margins are. All the profit margins will be hidden from this agent and they won't have access to it. Only the business owner will have access to these details. You can create as many agents as you want on the Storefront system with just one single subscription, meaning you can have up to 20, 50, 100 salespeople selling from you in your store. This concludes the Storefront tutorial on agents. Thank you for watching and have a good